back here with another Jay's Moments. We're going to be doing a CD hovercraft. You only need 4 items for this. You need tape. We use eBay because it's the strongest. A CD. A cap with a hole in it. And a balloon. So we're going to be taping the cap to the disc. My mom did help me put a hole through it before this video started so it'd work. So we're going to be taping this piece of tape to the thing to try to make it stick on, and I'm trying to undo that because that wouldn't work. So now we're going to be taping this to this. Let's go. Hey guys, we're back, and I'm going to blow this balloon up and attach it to the cap that we attached to the CD. Guys, we got it all blown up. Now let's see if it's actually going to work. Aww. See, it moves. Wait, cover! The hows and whys. The airflow from the deflating balloon provides a pocket of resistant free space which the CD hovercraft can glide without exerting any friction. The air pushes down into onto the surface, which lifts the disc just a little bit and allows it to freely hover. While our little CD hovercraft can only glide a few feet over a smooth surface, a large-scale hovercraft are capable of gliding over all kinds of terrain, including rough land, snow, and water. And that's the science behind the CD hovercraft. That is the end of today's video. Like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!